Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I'm Stick Side and High Priestess. How's everyone? Okay, I don't know, but since 2 days, I'm only getting one word again, trophy wives. First of all, as per I know, what is the trophy wives? Uh, is a philosophical, some kind of the statement that few men unfortunately having. They think wife is not a wife for them. For them, woman is a some kind of display thing. They can create display women for their own benefits. But on the one hand, these kind of people, and unfortunately, I'm getting also through my downloads, this kind of man actually are living some kind of a double life or having double standard in their life. They always try to portray women or their woman, some kind of a showcase, some kind of the beautiful, some kind of the elegant, but they wanted to show there is some reason. It doesn't mean they love their woman, they love their partner. No, they are doing because they wanted to um, some kind of the every woman, most of the women, until they are healed, they have some kind of insecurity in them. They are not fully satisfied. Even other women and other people, other mans is watching them as a very beautiful, but they never accept who they are as a beautiful. Even though in my view every woman is very very beautiful in their own way, their own style, because every woman have a some specific differentiations. They are have difference, they're different to each other, very specific way. So no any woman is, you can say, ugly in anything. No, every woman have their own standard, own lifestyle, their own nature. They have own uh, strength and weaknesses, right? um, I'm talking about because the trophy wives kind of mindset man those have it. They have because they want you to control. They have some kind of a narcissist trait in themselves, so they want you to safe game, playing the safe game in front of public or in front of people, so they can show the woman, they are embrace the woman as a show and introduce to other people as a trophy wife. But behind the scene, these people, this man or this kind of man is try to control the woman by triggering there some kind of insecurity in them. So, but I'm getting women is very innocent somehow. Few women are very very innocent. They do not understand. They are live their life, as a trophy woman, as a trophy wife, because they think they are really beautiful. Yeah, they are beautiful, fine, because every woman is beautiful in their own way. And they think the man they are with them, with her, is appreciate them. That's why they are trying to show as a trophy wife. But in behind the scene, they are like trying to, triggered within her something that is for their appearance, regarding their somehow some way personality. Through that they can use it by under control themselves. They wanted to control the woman, so they are portrayed as a trophy wife, trophy woman. But behind this person is wanting to control the other woman's everything, their emotion, their brain, their mindset, even their life, their finance, specifically finance. This kind of man is have some kind of the thought process to controlling women's finance, their stability. So trophy woman is some kind of as a cage. I'm getting is a cage. It's look like a golden cage. It's very beautiful, but cage is a cage. You can't get freedom. So it's very very important to understand. If any person treat you as a trophy wife, means you are some kind of the thing. They treat you as a thing. They show you as they have some kind of they own you. Actually, this person is owner of you, so that's why you are some kind of the trophy for them. You look like a thing that they can display it, but they do not feel that value and the specification that they should have in their relationship with you. So lots of the time this kind of man playing with the woman, but it's all the game. I'm getting game. Yeah, is some kind of research also says that men also choose the woman that is look beautiful, appearance beautiful. Why? Because behind the story is that I'm telling you. Okay, so I'm not saying for me as a being a woman, I think every woman is very beautiful. These women only need to start love themselves. Their glow automatically become enhanced, and they look like more beautiful. Because जब आप अंदर से heal होते हो, while we are start to heal from an inside, it's come out, or you can look it on the glow, some kind of the beautiful glow on the woman. You cannot deny it, right? So but unfortunately lots of the women, I don't know why I'm getting this message, might be for a youngster girls to need to understand beauty is not the beauty through your man, or your boyfriend try to trap you and show you as a trophy woman and trophy wife in their life. No, beauty doesn't mean no man have the authority over woman to show them as a trophy wife and a display thing, because you are not display thing. You are human. You have your emotion, you have your brain, your life, you have your choices. Do not give up on your choices because someone try to trap you through your beauty, and try to in this starting, this kind of man try to show you and give you some kind of the belief, make you believe that you are beautiful. I told you, women do not believe how they are beautiful until they are healed. So they always need some kind of the validation from the man. So or if they are younger, obviously girls try to get some kind of the validation from their boy, but I don't think so it's a good practice, because through that you actually giving away your main authority over your life, and I don't think so you should give it. Because for me, like while we saw ourselves in the mirror being a woman, when I saw who I am, I'm accepting it, and my beauty enhanced because I like myself, I love myself. If I want to ready, have a good dress, I want to dress up, do makeup, it doesn't mean I wanted to inspire to man. No, I wanted to look myself, embrace myself, my beauty, my appearance. more beautifully. So if any person try to trap you through, make you as a trophy wife, do not make yourself fool. This is very foolish thing, trust me. And secondly message I'm getting is that every religion, because being a spiritualist, I'm reading and searching every religion, their information, because being a spiritualist, we never mind to get the knowledge from anything, anywhere. But good knowledge, if you get it from anywhere, you can use it. Doesn't mean what kind of the resource behind them. No, it's not matter how to use this kind of the knowledge. It is matter. But I'm very surprised, every religious only talk about their foundation start when human start to understand who they are. Means today I read about Hinduism, about thing, even Buddhism, they have very clear thing, their even mantra, they are very, if you while you read their translation, it's very clear. Three things very clear. Your human life or your human journey start when you start to see you are like a diamond. You are a diamond, but you are rough diamond. So you want to heal through wisdom, so you are asking the wisdom from divine. So divine give you the wisdom, because you are crystal, you are crystalline kind of magnetic power within you. You are magic. We human are magic. So every religions, when you're talking about it, you reading their description, everything, whatever they have the scripts or their books, okay, including our own Islamic Quran Pak. Same thing is that healing is very important. और जैसे हमारे इस्लाम में भी है कि जब हमें डिवाइन ने बनाया है तो हमारे अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें डालनी हैं, हमारे अंदर एक पूरी दुनिया बनाई है डिवाइन ने. इसी तरह से हर मज़हब उसी दुनिया को डिफरेंट वे में एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. लाइक क्रिस्टल, लाइक प्रेशियस जूल, like a precious some kind of the precious something, that is you are the magic, some kind of the magical, you are magic, you have the own word, every word the whole word within you actually. And few people are says that in few religion is called like a we are say Allah is in us, right? And Hinduism is, people says that some kind of the crystalline energy, some kind of the jewel, some kind of the diamond kind of energy we have inside us. So humanity or our journey start, or while we start our human journey, we only asking one thing very clearly, the wisdom, so we can get through or get to receive that our magic and crystal and precious energy within us, that is make us that we should be that shape in this way that we supposed to be. So अगर हम लोग जूस की बात कर रहे हैं, तो जूस में भी उन्होंने कबाला के अंदर बहुत क्लियरली इस चीज़ को एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है, कि when you start to understand your both side, You know your dark side and light side, shadow side, and everything. And you know how to heal, how to balance between that, you know, light and dark. You start to balance, create, to connect the pillar, this pillar that give you the reshape you that you supposed to be. So these kind of stuff is very important to understand. यानी कि आप कान यहाँ से पकड़ो, वहाँ से पकड़ो. It's very important. In every religious, ask only one thing, to ask the wisdom. Through that they can get and receive the knowledge, receive or reach out, or you can say that reach out the word that is supposed to inside us. So some kind of the gateway, some kind of the we are the own gatekeeping this thing, because every human play as a gatekeeper of this world that is inside them. Okay, anywho, this is a little bit message, but you know, in late night while I'm getting this kind of the message, I try to share with you, but I don't know who need to hear about the trophy wife and trophy woman. But do not try to trap yourself. Even instant to try to trap yourself, you know, because other people and other man and who you belong to man is try to, you know, control you as by trapping, to enhance by always, you know, explaining how you're beautiful, but behind the scenes their beauty is fine. Your beauty is connected to you, not with this man. So this person, do not give your power to this person to control you, because you are getting some kind of the validation from him or from them. Okay, so it's very important. You are beautiful, or you know how to be beautiful. Just if you are beautiful, you know, you just believed it, you are beautiful. And you become more beautiful when you start to ask the wisdom and start to crystalline your energy, your real energy that enhance your beauty more. Other ways that give you the more power. No one can trap you, you do not need to have any validation from any person in your life ever again. You do not need to. Just trust on yourself, or believe, yes, you are beautiful. Okay, thank you and bye now.